Hello everybody, it's your boy Lazy Town for the win, and today I got another food review. I got some Pizza Hut. Yeah, I have to apologize guys for not doing any food reviews. So I got a pepperoni pizza with some tomato sauce, and the drink is Pepsi. Actually, let's get started with my one piece of pizza. Oh. Here is my very hot pizza. You can see my pizza. Let's taste it. Mmm! Here's my pizza sauce, excuse me. Let's try my pizza sauce. Mmm. Mmm. More good with pizza sauce. Here's my drink, Pepsi. My favorite drink ever. And so anyway, that's all about to the food review videos. So give me a like, comment, and subscribe. So anyway, goodbye for now.